Author metrics plays very important role when it comes to evaluate the scientific reputation of any author. As we know, author metrics is categorized into three: citation, H-index and I-10 index. First, we will see what do you mean by citation. Citation is nothing but giving the credit or recognition to the authors whose data you are going to use in your research article. Let's take an example. In this section of a research article, the highlighted part has been taken from the different papers. Hence, I have to cite those papers in my research article. The reference number 29 to 32 indicates that this particular section in my research article has been taken from other research papers. This citing of references is nothing but the citation. Let's see what do you mean by H-index. The definition is if X number of research articles are cited X times, then X will be the H-index of a researcher. Let's take an example. Suppose a researcher has published 30 research articles and out of those 30 research articles, 12 articles are cited 12 times each in different sources. I'm again repeating, 12 articles are cited 12 times each in different sources. Then H-index of that researcher or author will be 12. Let's see what do you mean by I-10 index. The definition is out of published articles, if X number of articles are cited 10 times each in different sources, then X is the I-10 index of that researcher. Let's see an example. Suppose a researcher has published 30 articles and out of those 30 articles, 21 articles are cited 10 times each in different articles. 21 articles are cited 10 times each in different articles or sources. Then I-10 index of that researcher or author will be 21. For more informative videos, please subscribe.